This is Economics Lesson 1, the story of village Palampur. In this part, that is the part 5th, I am explaining about the non-farming activities in village Palampur. As all we know, the farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than farming or agriculture. Just like that, the dairy production, small scale industries, spotter, blacksmith, shopkeeper, engage in transport service, and computer center also, so many. So, now I am explaining about the dairy production. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kind of grass and the jawar and bajra that grow during the rainy season, that is kharif grain. The milk is sold in nearby market Raiganj. Two traders from Shahapur town have set up the collection cum chilling center at Raiganj, from where the milk is transported to far away towns and cities. That the production of milk or keeping a dairy production is not enough. You must have to keep a cold storage for keeping it in a long time, as this way we need for transport it, or the production should be in the marketplace. So these all are requirement in a village. The second, I am talking about the small scale manufacturing in Palampur. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Unlike the manufacturing that takes place in the big factories in the town and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involve very simple production method. Most of them are potter, toy maker, basket maker, and the blacksmith also, weaver for making carpet, or you can say the dari, and so on. They are carried out mostly the work from their home. In the field of the production, they take the help mostly the family member. Rarely they hire the laborers. That means they do their work themselves. Now, the shopkeepers. People involved in trade are not many in Palampur. The trades of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in the cities and sell them into the village. Small general store in the village selling a wide range of items like the rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuit, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candle, notebook, pen, pencil, even some cloth also. A few families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open a small shop. They sell edibles items like biscuit, cake, toffee, sweet, etc. If we having a market we having enough production, either वो farming production or it is relating to manufacturing production. We need a good market also, as well as we need for transport to send their production to the market. So a well developed transport system is also available in village Palampur. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to the Raiganj, that is near about village and mandi, just like rickshawalas, tangawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people driving the traditional bullock cart, buggy are people in the transport service. They ferry people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has gone over the last several years. So, all you can understand, that means I repeat quickly, beside the farming activity, there are so many non-farming activity also has done in village Palampur, just like dairy productions, poultry farming, pig farming, goat rearing, shopkeeping, transportations business, and small scale industries like basket making, carpet making, toys making, potters. So many things you can find in village Palampur. That means I think I am clear about this.